Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix radio in Ford Escape, only way. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal before you touch any wiring or panels. Gather basic tools like panel pullers, a multimeter, Torx bits, and a socket set. Work in a well-lit area and keep screws organized by step. Test the radio after each change to isolate the exact cause and avoid repeating steps. Begin diagnosis by confirming power and grounding at the radio harness using a multimeter set to DC volts. Remove fuses first and visually inspect them, then test pins for 12V constant and switched power while the key is on. Check for solid ground continuity and inspect antenna and speaker connections for corrosion or damage. Document any irregular readings and proceed with targeted repairs only after isolating the failed circuit. With power removed, carefully remove dash trim using plastic pry tools to avoid damage. Unscrew the radio and slide it out to access the harness, then gently unplug connectors and inspect pins for bending or corrosion. Repair or replace any faulty wiring or connectors, and consider installing a new head unit if internal faults persist. Reassemble panels, reconnect the battery, and test audio, Bluetooth, and antenna functionality step by step to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.